To mirror a pattern, it's going to do exactly what you would think it does. It's just like if you were looking into a mirror and you see a reflection of yourself. It's going to be the exact opposite of you. Well, the same thing with a pattern. So I'm going to highlight this pattern of the cherries, and I'm going to come up here to say mirror pattern on my tool strip. Notice my cursor changes to a little plus sign. Now, where you place your first click on your screen is going to be how far away the reflection is of your original pattern. So let's pretend like your line is your mirror, and I'll give you some examples of that. Now, it doesn't matter how long the line is that I make, but it does matter on the degree or the angle of the line that I make. So let's say I make this first click and I want to do the stem. I want the stem to touch. So notice it reflects right immediately right there at the stem. But let me give you an example if I go a little bit further away. So I highlight my pattern, say mirror pattern. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to make an angle pattern. Now notice how far away I am from my original pattern. That's how far my reflection is going to be away on the opposite side. Now if you want a perfect vertical or horizontal mirror of this image, then you can hit your S on the keyboard and notice my snap to grid comes on. I'm going to highlight my pattern and say mirror pattern. Now I have my little pink dot that follows me. Now let's say I want it to come across on the stem right here. So I click on that and notice now it's a perfect vertical mirror. Let's show the difference between if I have my mirror pattern on. See, it doesn't matter if I do a long line or if I do a short line. It's going to give me the same result whether my line is short or long. But it does matter which angle that I have. So I'm just giving you some quick examples here. Let's say I want like right through there. See how it overlapped on my pattern? That's because my line was on the leaf.